Good morning. Hey guys, so it is July 2nd, I believe. I'm just laying in bed. It's like 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. It's like all I can say. Like, I'm so tired. I've been sleeping like so bad lately. Like, I was on vacation, not like vacation, but like vacation from work. And like the past couple days, I haven't been able to sleep. Like, I sleep for like 2 or 3 hours, and then I wake up, and then I had to work a wonky shift, and then like my friend had called me, and like they're like, "Are you awake?" And I'm just like, yeah, but no, like I'm just so tired. Like, I don't know, man, but I just want to check in, tell you what was going on. I'm gonna check in a little bit and explain everything that I'm doing as far as my weight loss and my goals and all that kind of stuff. So I will see you in a bit. Hey guys, so I have a really bad habit of bringing my coffee with me whenever I go somewhere. I always like set it right there. Half the time I end up like drinking it like before I actually leave. Yeah, it's a really bad habit. I gotta stop doing it. Okay, bye. Hola! Cooking some mushrooms. I got so much going on. Cooking more mushrooms. I got some chicken to cut up. Some cooked cabbage. I got some peppers. Thawing my ground turkey out. More coleslaw. Some chicken apple links. Some chicken I gotta cook. Spinach. My prep containers. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm all done with my meal prep. I'm super excited. So this one I have a turkey patty. I have some cabbage, some broccoli, some of the leftover mushrooms and stuff that I just threw in there. This one is this delicious chicken that I made with spinach, mushrooms, and the cabbage. And then this, I put a layer of spinach on the bottom for my extra greens. Then I made some chicken apple sausages diced up with some sweet peppers. So I'm so excited. I have them right here for my dinners and lunches. In the morning I'll either have egg whites. I also have some bananas and I can have a shake with it. So let's go. So this is going to be my lunch. There's avocado down there. I have some tuna with some cucumbers in it. And I just put some lettuce and some tomatoes on top. Super yummy. Look at my baby. Look at my baby. Where's my baby?
These crispy tenders are so flavorful and crispy. Crispy is this thing I do where I combine two words to make a cooler word. I also came up with Labradoodle. You had a Labrador you could draw?
Nothing beats our new $3.99 crispy tender dinner. Hurry in and try it today.
New candidates like ginger ale and lemonade. Are you ready to taste Nirvana?
Hey, honey!
Oh, it's a baby.
Yeah, sure. How long have you been sitting in my yard?
Since Tuesday, try new Canada Dry ginger ale and lemonade.
Putting off the tire rotation? We've got you covered. The highly trained technicians at Jiffy Lube rotate tires to keep you on the road. You can do more in a Jiffy.
The best way to get together is with a treat you make together.